Hey, sixth graders, if you need to redo your test, you have the same option that you had last time, so you can fix your mistakes for half credit. So here's what you do. So you click on the link. I have it linked right here for you to the Schoology assignment. It is also on the right-hand side of your screen on Schoology under assignments or upcoming assignments. And it will bring you into the Schoology assignment. So what you're going to do is open up your test. So go into Schoology, open up your test and click View Test, and so that you can see each of your questions. And so you'll be able to see the ones that you got wrong. And then you're going to go into here and you are going to open up the retake sheet as well. And then what you'll do for each question that you got wrong, you'll write the question number, write down what the question was, what the correct answer should be, not the letter, the actual correct answer, and explain how you know that or why you think that that's the correct answer. Okay, you're going to do that for every single one that you got wrong. This first column you can leave blank. That's for me when I'm grading it. I can mark if you get the points or not. All right, there are some resources right here. If you need help, you can email me, you can ask me. And yeah, so get this done if you want to. Anyone can do it, even if you just got one or two wrong. You can do that to increase your score a little bit. And I just ask that it is done by Friday the 22nd. Thanks, bye.